All right, guys, welcome back. It is August 30th and it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. All right, we're getting a late start today, but let's get it going. So let's take a look down here at this bottom. Let's see what's going on around town. All right, so the trend's picking up, and right now, let's go ahead and get started. So let's see what we got going on today. I'm looking up in the area. I already got my Uber light on. I got my camera going. And I'm ready to go. I got my gas filled up. And right now I was looking for trips. I'll update you as we get along. On here on this part, you can go to your inbox. Kind of lets you know who puts tips in, when they put tips, tell them thank you. Right now we're looking in the area and seeing what's going on. So it was raining a little bit earlier, so with the rain usually brings higher tips or higher prices, but let's take a look and see what we got today. I'm probably going to do it for about a couple hours, but let's see how much we can make. All right, guys, I'm back. So I had to take a break, actually, to go run a couple errands. So that's the luxury of doing Uber, is that if you got to do errands, you can stop, pick up, go finish your errands, come back, and then get back online. There's no one really telling you when and where. But that's also bad. No one's telling you where also to go and how long to go. So I'm back on. And it's about 2:13, so it took me a couple hours to do what I needed to do. So anyways, I'm back, and I'm waiting for something to pop up. All right, guys, I'll let you know how it goes. All right, just got one. This one here is $15, and I think about 20 minutes total. So let's go and get them. Come on. I'll update you as we get there. So since I'm on a limited time today, this one was $15. That's what I'm picking up, $15 ones. So just letting you know, whenever you see them and you're like, hey, how come he's not picking that one up? I'm on a limited time and I need some high ones. High ones. All right, guys. I'll update you and let you know at the end how it goes. Now, if I'm looking at this, it kind of tells me where I'm going to go pick them up, which is not that far. Also, it tells them I pick them up and I drop them off. So anyways, there's not no multiple stops or anything like that, but it kind of lets you know, which I like. All right, it looks like I'm picking them up here at HEB. I'll update you and let you know how it goes. All right, so I picked up another one. This one right here, it's only about 3 minutes one way and 3 minutes the other way. It's like $8. So that last one that I picked up that was $15, man, it got me. So it's $15. I had to drive like 30 minutes. I tell you what, they got me. So anyways, I found this little quick one. I'm like, you know what? Let me just go do it. All right, I'll update you as we get along. All right, I picked one up going toward my destination, trying to get back where I started out as. All right, guys, I'll update you on this one. Was $15, and it looks like it's going to be 13 minutes to get there, and then another 10 minutes to drop them off. All right, I'll update you as we get there. All right, guys, I just finished dropping off that one, and looks like I just completed 3 trips and made $40. All right, so it's about time for me to get out, and just updating you, letting you know you can pick up any time for as long as you want or for as little as you want. Everything all adds up. At the end of the week, you get some money. Uh-oh, we got a tip. What? Let's see what this tip was about. All right. Perfect, so we got a little tip on there. Awesome. All right, guys, over and out, and I'll update you again when I'm coming out again. Today, oh, you know what? Let's kind of see what we did. $18, $7, and then $15. Okay. All right, guys. Oh yeah, these are my last three. Okay. All right. So what I am trying to do is I'm trying to look at my miles as well too. So I did 67 miles and made $40. So I know at trying to get to like $1 a mile, but these are just things we're playing with. So today I did 3 trips, and I'll update you at the very end.